Hey guys, Ken with Family Handyman. Candle wax accidentally dripped on a carpet might look like a hopeless mess, but it's actually quite simple to clean up. Let me show you how. For the first step, you're going to need a butter knife. You can use it to scrape off any hardened wax, and then after you're done doing that, you can vacuum up any loose wax. After you're done vacuuming, you want to dampen a white cloth towel, and just go ahead and place it over the wax, and plug in an iron. Set it to its hottest setting and put it on top of the damp towel for 10 seconds. The heat will draw the wax out of the carpet and into the towel. You can repeat this until the wax is gone. You might have to hold the iron in place for up to 30 seconds. If the towel dries out, re-wet it, and if it becomes loaded with wax, just grab another towel. Finally, you can spray it with carpet cleaner and scrape it with the spoon to remove the remaining wax, and then you can dab it with a clean towel and let it air dry. So there you go, crisis averted. For more cleaning tips and tricks, head to familyhandyman.com.